In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate auto captions in Premiere Pro. First, open Adobe Premiere Pro and add your media. You can import your clips the way you normally do. Then place them on a sequence so the audio is on the timeline and ready to analyze. Make sure the clip you want to caption is active in your sequence and that the audio is audible and clean enough for speech recognition. Good, consistent volume and minimal background noise will help produce a more accurate result. Next, go to the top menu and choose Window. Then Text. In the Text panel, select the Transcript tab. This is where Premiere centralizes speech-to-text features, so you can see everything in one place. With your sequence selected, click Transcribe. Premiere will analyze the audio using its AI speech engine, which supports more than 80 languages. If you are working in a language other than the default, select it here to improve accuracy. If your sequence has multiple audio tracks, make sure the correct track with the primary dialogue is chosen. Then let Premiere process the audio. The time this takes depends on the length of your clip, but you'll see progress as it works. Once the transcript is ready, it will appear in the Transcript tab. Now it's time to turn that transcript into captions. At the top of the text panel, click the CC button labeled Create Captions from Transcript. You can also click over to Captions in the same panel to confirm you are in the right place. Then choose Create Captions from Transcript. And finally click Create Captions to confirm. Premiere will immediately generate caption items, align them to your dialogue, and place them on your timeline. You'll see the captions appear both in the program monitor and as a captions track in your sequence. Press play to preview. If you notice a word the AI didn't catch perfectly, remember you can fine-tune the text later right in the text panel or by selecting a caption segment on the timeline. For best results, keep your audio clean and make sure the correct language is selected before transcribing. If your project is long, you can let the transcription run and come back when it's done. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.